How to set a reminder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Reminders application on your phone. In the main screen of the app, tap the New Reminder button, which is located in the bottom left corner. A screen will pop up where you can define your task. First, type a brief description of the task in the title field. You can also add more information, such as a list of items or specific instructions, in the Notes field below. To turn this task into an actual alert, tap on Details. In the Details menu, set date and time. You can also set location-based alerts. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, tap the Add button in the top right corner. The reminder will be saved to your list, and if you set a date and time, your iPhone will send you a notification to ensure you don't forget. Like this, you can add multiple reminders for any tasks to keep track. Following these steps, you can easily set a reminder on an iPhone.